Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Facebook ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll be discussing about how to create a buyer persona for Facebook ads. So without any further delay, let's see how we can do it. Okay, so first of all, let's get to know what is buyer persona, and in the later part of the video we'll show you some of the samples of creating buyer personas. Okay, so for learning about buyer personas, we have come to a blog site which is called Eventbound. Okay, so they have discussed about buyer persona in details. Okay, so you can see over here, buyer personas are a major component of any effective inbound marketing strategy. After all, you have to know who you are marketing and selling to before you can make a sale. Okay, so they have discussed about what is buyer persona, how to define your buyer personas in 5 steps. So step 1, step 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so what is a buyer persona actually? A buyer persona is a fictional representation of your ideal client or target audience. With a clear picture of who you are marketing to, it's much easier to develop effective targeted content that speaks to these buyers' goals and challenges. Okay, so why are buyer personas important? Think of your buyer personas as a personal narrative. You're developing a story for and context around the people who are most interested in your product or service. You want to know as much about them as possible so that you can provide personalized service, relevant content, and helpful sales information. Your buyer personas are the best place to organize all of that information into a story that will resonate with you and the rest of your team. Okay, so how to define your buyer personas in 5 steps? So they have discussed about buyer personas in 5 steps. So the step number 1 is research your buyer persona. Okay, so if you want, you can read them. Okay, then the next step is segment your buyer personas. Okay, so you can segment your buyer persona. Then the third step, they have discussed about create a name and a story for your buyer persona. Okay, and as the fourth step, they have discussed about focus on roles, goals, and challenges. And in the last step, they have mentioned use your buyer personas to craft trailer digital marketing and sales strategies. Okay, so I'm going to share this blog link in the video description so that you can learn more about buyer personas and some of the steps of creating buyer personas. Okay, perfect. So we'll see a picture. So you can see over here, this is a picture of perfect customer profile. So what do we have there? You know, so we have age, education, religion, social class, urban or rural, income bracket, location, occupation, personality, lifestyle, male, female, race, company, industry, buyer or bargainer, interest, marital status, values, mindset, and culture. So this is the perfect customer profile. So you can follow them for creating the buyer personas. Okay, so we'll take a scenario, okay, of creating a buyer persona. For example, say you identify a core customer group as 40-year-old, professionally successful city dwelling women with no kids and a passion for great restaurants. Your buyer personas might be high achiever, Haley. Okay, so your buyer personas could be she is 41 years old. She goes to spin class 3 times a week. She lives in Toronto and is the founder of her own PR firm. She owns a Tesla. She and her partner go on to international vacations a year and prefer to stay at boutique hotels. Okay, she's a member of a wine club. Okay, so sorry. So this could be the buyer persona of this woman. Okay, so I'll show you how to create a demo by persona. So you can see over here. So I have mentioned some of the targeting options of creating by persona. You can see over here we have targeted location as USA, age range as 35 to 55, language as English, gender as male and female, and targeting I'm targeting C-level persons like chief financial officer and managing director, and I'm targeting those who have interest on luxury goods, iPhone, luxury vehicles, and their behavior is top 10% income, frequent international traveler, and people who prefer luxury goods in USA, as my targeted location is USA. Okay, and placement is Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so you can create buyer persona using this formula. Actually, this is not a formula, this is a technique actually. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding on what is buyer persona, how we can create buyer persona in different steps, and in the last I have shown you how to create a buyer persona. Okay, so yeah, hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.